to share something with you that might put me in a very negative light, yeah.
Relationships are not my forte.
See if someone grabbed up my wife or something completely different ballgame.
I'll walk away from here, and this has been like a therapy session.
Introducing first to the scales, he comes to us with a professional record of 14 victories versus just 1 loss, and 7 of those wins coming by way of knockout. From Bermondsey, England, please welcome the WBC International Silver Welterweight Champion, Chris Too Slick KONGO. No defeats, 7 of those wins coming by way of knockout. From Nottingham, England, by way of Botswana, here is the British, Commonwealth, and IBF European welterweight champion, EKOW, the Engine, ESSUMAN. Official weight 10 stone 6 pounds for EKOW ESSUMAN.
It's in the top right now. Everything blocked right now. Don't get twisted up the block right now. Stop my beat, stop my crown. King of the Lizzie, I don't my.
Ladies and gentlemen, this contest is scheduled for 12 3-minute rounds, and it is for the British welterweight championship and the Commonwealth welterweight championship. Chris Too Slick KONGO, EKOW, the Engine ESSUMAN, live from the EKOW Arena on Sky Sports box office.
I'm going to share something with you that might put me in a very negative light, yeah.
Relationships are not my forte.
See if someone grabbed up my wife or something completely different ballgame.
I'll walk away from here, and this has been like a therapy session.